Yo, it's Jocelyn back here with another video, and today we are going to be hitting them with the little flip phone prank, you know what I'm saying? We finna get right into it though. Should I do it? Alright, I'm gonna let him walk up to me though. Trying to act like mysterious.
Shut your
That's my friend, bro. What's up, bro? What up, what up, what up? Why not? Why you not? What? It's just a camera. What's up, though? How you been? Bring it in. How you been?
Oh, shit.
Good, you good? Right. You had class and shit? Wait. Wait, I gotta ask you something, though.
What?
Can you put your number in?
On a fucking flip phone?
Yeah. Ah, shit. Why not, though? Like,
Why not?
I'm just trying to get it. I'm just trying to get it.
You gonna come in?
No.
You gonna stay outside?
Yeah.
No, this is fucking awkward.
Not because I'm doing a video, though, so I can't go in there. I mean, is it people in there?
Yeah.
Oh, for a lot of people?
No.
No? Oh, because I'm trying to go up to people and just prank them and be like, put your number. That's what it was. Right, type shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, type shit. Right, I'll see you though. Have a good night.
Have a great one.
Get him? All right. Can I ask you a question real quick? Can I ask you a question? Just a question.
What?
Just a question?
About hurry up, right?
Oh, damn, I gotta hurry up.
Yeah, the bus is right there.
Oh, shit, never mind then. You could.
No, hurry up.
Oh, okay. I was just wondering if I could get your number though.
I don't know. I kind of just met you.
Type shit. It's too early?
I don't want to give my number out to strangers.
Right.
What do you need it for?
I don't know. I was just gonna say, hey, like we can hang out and shit.
Yeah, I might.
You seem cool, like, you know what I'm saying?
You can have my Instagram. Right?
Instagram? Damn. So no number?
No, I just met you. There's a camera right there too, so
What is
your intentions are kind of
my intentions are bad?
no suspicious.
Oh. No, I'm playing. Okay, well, yeah. I was just gonna see if I can get your number. That's all. But I hope you have a good night.
Yeah, you too. What was your name?
Jocelyn. What's your name?
Nolan.
Nolan. Okay. Nice to meet you. All right. Man, fuck! I think he said, he was not fucking with me. I just gotta ask you something.
I'm on the phone right now. I'm sorry.
You good? He was on the phone and shit. Shit like that. Type shit. Should I go ask this nigga right here though? Type shit. Nah, never mind. It's no fucking body. Like white. Can I sit here real quick?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. I just wanted to ask you a question. I just wanted to see if I can get your number.
I'm sorry, no.
No?
No.
Why not?
That's so goofy.
Like my phone's off and shit, and like that's what I could afford. So.
I mean, that's valid though.
Right. You know, broke college student, shit like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm just. So no.
No, I'm sorry. Thank
I
you.
appreciate that. You have a great night.
You too.
Fuck. Can I ask you a question real quick? Can I sit here? Okay, cool. I just think you look cute, and I just want to ask if I can get your.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Is this like a prank or something?
No prank. For real. Can't have flip phones anymore.
Nah, flip phone's crazy.
Damn.
I'm an iPhone guy, you know. We don't
For real?
do the green bubbles, you know.
Shit.
I'm sorry.
Damn. So if I had a iPhone, I could get it.
I mean, at least like a like a touchscreen, you know. Like,
Damn, that's what I'm saying. Like I got that though. So like,
damn, okay.
yeah, right.
Okay.
Type shit. But it's cool, you know.
All right.
It's cool. You have a good night. I'm fucking like 0 for, what is it, 0 for 4? Fuck. I can't get shit. They don't fuck with me. They talk about, oh, you got a, what's it called? Like, it don't matter. Can I ask you something real quick?
I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, you're good. I'm like fucking 0 for 6. Like, nigga, I'm really Ben Simmons right now. Fuck! Nobody want my fucking number? Yeah, fuck all this shit, bro. And it's no one fucking over here. Like, it's dead ass shit. Is he black? Like, they don't fuck with me because I'm black or something. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Right there. Type shit. All right, man. Can I ask you a question real quick? Can I ask you a question? I just think you look good. I just wanted to get your number.
Oh, I'm good. I'm talking to somebody.
All right, you have a good night. Like, fuck, I'm like 0 for 7, bro. Oh my God.
What more do you want from me? Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
Is my oar going down? Like, fuck. We need to go to A&T. I can't do it here no more. Maybe I gotta dress up like a hoe. Maybe that'll. We gonna go out here and see what the fuck. Is my fit like ass or something? Like, I know it's chill, but like, you think my fit is ass? You think my fit is ass?
No.
Okay, cool. But can I ask you something real quick? I just think you look good. Just wanted to see. Okay. How's your day been though?
It's been good.
Okay.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You had classes and stuff?
Yeah, small.
Okay, cool. Well, good luck. I'll see you. Let's fucking go, nigga. Okay, I'm like 1 for 8 now, so makes it a little better. And he said my fit's my ass, so you know. You heard the way the phone was like. And it will only get better. You want me together through the days and nights. I don't worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking and they can say what they like, but all I know is everything's gonna be alright. No one, no one. Man, fuck this school, y'all dry ass bitches. All y'all hoes dry as fuck. No. Shout out Alicia Keys. Type shit. Can I ask you something real quick? Excuse me, sir. Sir. Hey, sir, walking in the grass right there with the jeans on, sir. Big boot bag, skinny jeans, sir. Yeah, fuck me on that money. And
Brother, this guy stinks!
all y'all get the fuck up. No. No. Can get in the wheel when I feel it. That's how I feel when fine shit come and talk to me. Like, I just feel like that. No. Okay, I don't see no fun shit at all. No.